ସମସ୍ତ ଜୀବଜନ୍ତୁ ଜଳ ଆବଶ୍ୟକ କରନ୍ତି। All living things need water. All living things need water. ସେ ମୋତେ ଏଠାକୁ ପଠାଇଛନ୍ତି। He has sent me here. He has sent me here. ପିଲାଟି ତାଙ୍କୁ ଛୁରୀରେ ଧମକ ଦେଲା। The boy threatened him with a knife. The boy threatened him with a knife. ସେ ଟେନିସ୍ ଖେଳନ୍ତି କି? Does he play tennis? Does he play tennis? ଆମେ ପ୍ରତିଦିନ ସକାଳେ କଫି ପିଉ। We drink coffee every morning. We drink coffee every morning. ଆପଣ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ କ'ଣ କରୁଛନ୍ତି? What are you doing now? What are you doing now? ମୁଁ ଜଳଖିଆ ପ୍ରସ୍ତୁତ କରୁଛି। I am making breakfast. I am making breakfast. ମୁଁ ଟିଭି ଦେଖୁଛି। I am watching TV. I am watching TV. ସେ ଖେଳୁଛି କି? Is he playing? Is he playing? ମୁଁ କିଛି କରୁନାହିଁ। I am not doing anything. I am not doing anything. ମୋତେ ସବୁ କିଛି କୁହ। Tell me everything. Tell me everything. ମୁଁ ପ୍ରତିଦିନ ସ୍କୁଲକୁ ଯାଏ। I go to school every day. I go to school every day. ମୋତେ ବାହାରକୁ ଯିବାକୁ ଦିଅ। Let me go out. Let me go out. ଏହା କେତେ ସମୟ ଲାଗିବ? How long will it take? How long will it take? ମୁଁ ସବୁବେଳେ ତୁମ ସହିତ ଅଛି। I am always with you. I am always with you. ତାଙ୍କୁ ପାଟି କର ନାହିଁ। Don't shout at him. Don't shout at him. ମୋତେ ଧମକ ଦିଅ ନାହିଁ। Don't threaten me. Don't threaten me. ଠିକ୍ ତୁମ ପରି। Just like you. Just like you. ଆପଣ ମୋତେ ସାହାଯ୍ୟ କରିପାରିବେ କି? Can you help me? Can you help me? ତୁମେ କ'ଣ କରିବ? What will you do? What will you do? ମୁଁ କିଛି ଜାଣେ ନାହିଁ। I don't know anything. I don't know anything. ମୋତେ ସେଠାକୁ ଯିବାକୁ ଦିଅ। Let me go there. Let me go there. ତୁମ ମୁଣ୍ଡ ସିଧା ରଖ। Keep your head straight. Keep your head straight. ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ମୋ ସହିତ ଆସ। Come with me now. Come with me now. ଏହା ଅସମ୍ଭବ ଅଟେ। It is impossible. It is impossible.